This how women sound to men after they let a man smash them. After they let a man after they let a man do that, and they try to have a conversation with those men, this is how the women sound. Wah, 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 wah. Fed out. That's how a woman sounds to a man after she let him smash. We can't hear you. We are free. Most of the time, a man can't see a woman clearly until after he mate with her. Unfortunately, gotta tell you the truth, right? You want the truth, right? I have to tell you that somebody gotta tell you the truth, right? Some men think they like you deeply in their heart. In my heart, you'll always be my lady. In my heart, you'll always be my girl. Some men have good intentions for you, but unfortunately, he just can't see clear until after he then he see, sadly, why? Hey, Pookie and Ray Ray, why? Why, Pookie? Why, Ray Ray? They don't know either. But for some reason, you be able to see a woman's flaws, physical flaws, personality flaws, all kind of flaws after they smash. And that can be a year. She waited for a year. She did the right thing. She did the right thing. She did the right thing and waited. She waited almost a year before she let him smash. And then it took a year for him to see her clearly. Ain't that ain't that something? So I advise you, ladies, make sure you get a man that's really into you. You better get a bugaboo, and you better appreciate him. All that trying to get a man who he give you space and he's so cool and you thinking you the finest thing in the world, even though he ain't all that, you treating him like he all that because he ain't paying you that much attention. And you say you're gonna wait 8 months, a year and all that. You better hope he on you. You better hope he connected with Jesus Christ. I know you're supposed to wait till you're married. But who waiting till they married? Who? Not too many. Is that why Jesus died on the cross? Because he knew we wasn't going to be able to live up to the 613 Mosaic laws? Because if you fail in one, the Bible say you fall in all of them. So you say, I can wait till I'm married. I'm more holier than you. I'm a virgin. I waited till I'm married. I'm more holier than you. But you got a judgmental heart. Whoop! You fail in all of them. You see? Just because you're strong in one area of sin, it don't mean you're strong in the other area of sin. Because some of these sins, you just might be easy for you because you may not have a desire for those sins. Don't make you more holier than the other person that's struggling with the other sin. I'm saying I advise women to get with men that they truly is into them. But you have to be able to appreciate these men, because if you don't, they might leave or they might cheat too. Because everybody wants to be appreciated. I said everybody wants to be appreciated. Can I get an amen on that? So I don't care how fine you are, how curly your hair is, how sexy your walk is. Everybody can get cheated on. Even the most popular, beautiful R&B stars. So if you think you so fly because you get all them 1,000 inboxes in your inbox and you got a new different hairstyle every week, you still can get cheated on with your new weave. Whoop, 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 whoop. But we love you, but may the truth be told. I'm Allan Reallionaire. Thank you for entering Reallionaire Nation. Everything you need is in the description box. Everything from my contacts, services, products, songs, books, t-shirts. If you want a one-on-one consultation with me, you want to speak to Allan Reallionaire live, one-on-one, personally with yourself, and you want my opinion on some things, send me a message on Instagram. Of course, my Instagram link is in the description box, so feel free to message me anytime you want in the description box, okay? Much love to you. Stay prayed up, stay blessed. In Jesus' name, amen. Talk to y'all soon.